Okay, we're going to do a little quick reteaching on the area of squares and rectangles. If you are retaking this section of your summative, please make sure that you are correcting your test to match the correct answers. So for the area of any rectangle or square, we're going to use the area formula area equals length times width. So down here for this first one, we are just taking our length and our width and multiplying them together. 5 times 12 is 60. We always use a square unit label, so 60 square inches. For the second one, we have a square, so its side lengths are the same. So length and width are both 6. We're going to do 6 times 6, which is 36 square feet. And for our last one, our length and our width are 7 and 9, so we are simply doing 7 times 9 to give us 63 square meters. Again, make sure you've corrected those on your summative, and then you're going to pick up the retake practice that is on my side counter for squares and rectangles and complete that for extra practice before next Wednesday's summative.